How to use EMShape Neo Prime IV. Abdominal muscle building and sculpting. The client lies flat on the bed in a relaxed state. The abdomen must be clean and dry. Note: avoid the ribs on both sides. Place the heat insulation pad. Select 1-2 flat handles according to the client's body shape. Secure the handles to the abdomen using the straps. Place the emergency stop button in the client's hand. Inform the client to press the button immediately if they feel any discomfort during the treatment. Adjust the interface. Press start. Operation in progress. After the time ends or after pausing before time is up, remove the handles and unfasten the straps. How to use the curved handle with the small strap. Front of thigh. First open the buckle on the handle. Thread one end of the small strap through it. Then lock the buckle to secure that end of the small strap. Place the curved handle on the treatment area of the thigh with the curved surface in contact with the thigh. Wrap the small strap around the thigh, thread it through the hole slot on the handle, adjust the tightness and fasten it to secure. The other side is fixed in the same way. Place the emergency stop button in the client's hand. Adjust the EMS energy for the CD handle. Press start. Operation in progress. Two areas can be operated on simultaneously. After the time ends or after pausing before time is up, remove the handles and unfasten the straps. Calf muscle building and sculpting. Place the curved surface handle under the calf with the curved side in contact with the calf. Adjust the parameters. Press start. Operation in progress. After the time ends or after pausing before time is up, remove the handles and unfasten the straps. Shoulder relaxation. Place a pillow for elevation, approximately 20 cm. The client lies flat on the bed in a relaxed state. Place the curved handle on the trapezius muscle, avoiding the neck and heart. Ensure the two heat dissipation vents are not blocked. The curved surface should be in full contact with the skin. Place the pause button in the client's hand. Arm muscle building and sculpting. The client lies face down on the bed. A pillow can be placed for added comfort. Place the curved handle on the biceps brachii of the arm with the curved surface in full contact with the arm. Place the pause button in the client's hand. After the time ends or after pausing before time is up, remove the handles and unfasten the straps. Buttocks tighten in sculpting. Secure the flat handle to the gluteus maximus using the strap. Adjust parameters. Press start. Operation in progress. Two areas can be operated on simultaneously based on treatment needs. After the time ends or after pausing before time is up, remove the handles and unfasten the straps. Cushion usage. Note: the cushion is an optional accessory, not standard equipment. Remove the A handle connector from the back of the device, then connect the cushion cable to the A connector. Place the cushion on a chair or bed. Turn on the device, press auto mode or manual mode. It will automatically switch to the dedicated cushion interface. Have the client sit on the cushion aligned with the private. Press start.